Hi folks, this is a little follow-up tutorial to the last one on strumming patterns. The last one was in 4/4 timing, and the chords we used was C, A minor, F, and G7. Okay, so what we're going to do this little strumming tutorial is use those same chords just because you'll be used to them by now. But we're going to do 3/4 timing, or as some of you might know, it's a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You'll hear this in a lot of songs, and it's easy to hear the difference between the 4/4 timing and the 3/4 timing, which is your waltz. So what I'm going to do is I have about 3 or 4 basic strum patterns that I would use in this 3/4 timing. Okay. So first up, you've got your using those same chords. Okay, remember I will do the C with the 3rd finger, and then the A minor with the 2nd finger, and then put the 1st finger on here, and I'll give your F, and then move that down, and then put your 3rd finger on for your G7. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this pattern over each chord. All right, so it'll be like this here. Ready? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do you see the way I'm using the fleshy part of my thumb? Okay. If it's a kind of a soft song, a bit of a ballad, that's what you'll want to do. Just use that soft part. But if it's something that's going to be a bit more vigorous, something that you're going to rock it out with, you know, although you wouldn't use this particular timing, that would be more like a 4/4 timing. But if you want a wee bit more volume, you would use the back of your nails. Okay. 1st finger, the back of the nail going down, and the thumb, the back of the nail coming up. Okay. So here we go. Starting on your C chord, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, change chord, 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 1, and again. Okay, so you could take so many different chord sequences and apply that strum pattern to it. I kind of like that one because there's a lot of songs that would use that particular chord sequence. This next little pattern is a bit of a variation on the first one. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that top string, and on my ukulele it's a low G. So it gives me a more bassier sound. So when I say bass, I'm referring to striking that top string. Okay. So what I'm going to do is going to go bass, 2, 3. Okay. When I say bass, what I'm doing, I'm replacing the number 1, as in 1, 2, 3, and going bass, 2, 3. Okay. So bass, 2, 3, change chord, bass, 2, 3, change chord, bass, 2, 3, bass, 2, 3, and back to C again, and bass, A minor, F, G7. And I'm going to do that little sequence over, and you just follow me. Ready? Okay, very simple. The next one's a wee bit more complicated. It's a bass, down, up, bass, down, up. Okay? So remember, top string for your bass, and it's bass, down, up, down, up. Okay, so bass, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bass, down, up, down, up. So what I'm doing here, I'm hitting the bass with my thumb, the fleshy part, and then I'm strumming all the way down, and then up with the underside, fleshy part of my finger, and then down. So bass, down, up, bass, down, up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bass. And then change chord, A minor, F, G7, back to C, A minor, F, G7, okay. Okay, it doesn't take too long to get the hang of that one, and it's just a case of finding what songs have those different types of timing in them. So anything that's a 3/4, you can use either of those three patterns. And there's other patterns, but that's your main ones. And if you learn them, that'll definitely get you through any song that has that timing in it. So just keep on practicing that, and also, pick your own little chord patterns. It doesn't have to be the one I just showed you there. Find your own chord patterns, just make them up, even random if you like, but apply that timing to it, and just keep on practicing that until you don't even have to think about what you're doing. And then when you start applying that to your songs, it'll just be so much smoother and easier for you. So keep working away at that until the next time I see you. And remember, keep her lit and keep on strumming.